Okay, and today I'm going to show you how to make a more detailed duck. So I'm going to use the duck from a previous video. So it will be in a black color, and just making a small line on the top of the or duck, and finish it by a rectangle. After that, we're making another rectangle already on the top of previous rectangle, like this. And after that, we draw in the line nearly in the middle of that rectangle. After that, we fill in by black two parts where I show it, and after that, covering the things which is left. And voila! You got the duck with a top hat. So, the another detail we can add is making a sunglasses for our duck. So basically making like this, and after that filling the space. And here you go, the duck with a top hat and sunglasses. Very cool. Subscribe and like this video if you want more of these tutorials.